Welcome. Now a look at the headlines. CM did not apply guidelines of new regional plan to ODPs to save his government. Charles Correa and Edgar Ribeiro exposed double standards of the government. Remo supports Arundhati Roy, appeals for a signature campaign by authors across the country. Union Commerce and Industry Minister seeks Solicitor General's opinion on land given to SEZs. Shantaram Naik says all three SEZs will be denotified after Solicitor General's report. Pachauri tells Goa to be aware about extreme climatic events. Advises to keep an eye on sea level rise. And Alan Sequeira is over the moon with national championship. Alan calls upon more goals to make their mark in motocross. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath did not apply guidelines of the new regional plan to ODPs to save his government. This comes straight from a SLC member and a former member of the task force, Charles Correa and Edgar Ribeiro. Charles clearly said that government would have been destabilized if ODPs were included in the RP 2021 at this moment. This comes as a shocker when government is patting its back for the commendable job of the regional plan.
The discussion was held in the International Centre at Dona Paul. Member of the SLC Charles Correa, Rahul Deshpande and Sanjit Rodrigues, former member of the task force Edgar Ribeiro and Oscar Rebelo participated in the discussion Future of Goa in 21st Century. Noted author Maria Aurora Couto compared the show. The question to Charles was simple. Why guidelines in regional plan are not applied to the ODPs? And this is what he said.
Because if he said it, we'll do it right now, it's going to destabilize the government in a way, right?
Then came Edgar with his bombshell. Why did he resign from the task force? Well, let's hear it from noted chief town planner himself.
When I came back after a month, he says, okay, 5 municipalities and 1 panchayat is out of the regional plan. So I told him, you can't do that. He says, if I don't remove Talegaon, I will lose the elections at that time.
And he did not stop at that. He explained how government flouted his important suggestions.
The 2001, which is a very outdated plan, prepared when Goa was a union territory, and you could not bring in, you had to bring in the draft RPG 21 in finalizing the RPG. You can't, I mean, that is a standard practice. He didn't do it. I told him that's an error which has crept in. Correct it. Charles also told him to correct it. He did not correct it.
Edgar also exposed how government twisted rules to empower health department with land utilization plan for itself. He revealed how it was pointless after that to stay on the task force.
He allowed the Ministry of the Department of Health to pass their own laws on the use of land. You must have only one law on the use of land. When he succumbed to all these things, there was no point in me continuing and being part of an SLC with your hands tied behind your back.
But Charles and Edgar praised CM for his cooperation and bold stance on certain issues.
I must say, the Chief Minister was very, very cooperative, and because he was the Chief Minister, every state government department came out with their proposals.
I think planning is not a static thing, it's a dynamic thing. A momentum swings. I think at this moment, with so many handicaps, somehow things are swinging our way, and it's almost a tipping point. If this moment actually there's public pressure and understanding of the issues of what you were talking about, Oscar, this would change, and with that kind of backing, the CM would have no option but to go with the flow.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
musician Remo Fernandez has come forward in support of renowned author Arundhati Roy, who is labelled as anti-national by many. Her recent remarks on Kashmir and Naxalites had spurred a controversy. Remo wants a signature campaign across the nation in support of Arundhati Roy. Remo himself is ready to sign the support paper.
Remo has struck a controversial chord. According to Remo, authors across India should support Arundhati Roy. He wants a signature campaign in support of the controversial author. He says people do not come forward to stand by the activists who expose bitter truths within the establishment.
Okay, there's a sister of yours, Arundhati Roy, who is one of the, one of the few who has truly spoken up. And she's in trouble today. And what are you, as a writers community, and what am I, as part of the artist community? What are we, in short, doing about it?
Remo feels that massive support should be extended towards Arundhati Roy for her initiative. He says government would not dare touch her if authors support in large numbers. Remo has said that he is ready to sign if a campaign is carried out.
It would be wonderful if we start a movement of collecting signatures saying that whatever she said, I agree with it. So if you incriminate her, if you prosecute her, prosecute me as well. And if each and every writer in India wrote that, from the most famous to the, to the least known, government of India will have no other solution but to let her go.
Remo critically mentioned that people who give big talks during cocktail parties back out when they are required for a cause. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Union Commerce and Industry Minister has asked the Solicitor General of India to give his opinion about the land with SEZ companies in Goa. High Court in its recent order had asked government to maintain status quo on SEZ land for 4 months. Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik has said that once Solicitor General gives his opinion, Commerce Ministry will denotify the 3 SEZs in Goa.
State government had requested the Commerce Minister to denotify 3 SEZs in Goa. State government has already scrapped SEZ policy after intense agitation. High Court in its order had asked to maintain status quo for 4 months on SEZ land. Now Commerce Ministry has asked Solicitor General for his opinion.
आता कॉमर्स मिनिस्ट्रीन सॉलिसिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडियाचें ओपिनियन मागला की बाबा हातूंक डिनोटिफाय करपाक कॉमर्स मिनिस्ट्रीचेर किंवा भारत सरकारचेर कसलेंय बंधन आसा काय म्हणून हें तांचें ओपिनियन मागला. ओपिनियन येतकीच ते त्या प्रमाणे कारवाय करतले. कारण सुरवाती सुद्दां हांवें कॉमर्स मिनिस्ट्री सांगिल्लें मिस्टर आनंद शर्मा की कसल्याच तरेचे कोर्टाचो हुकूम ना की ह्यो 3 युनिट्स आसात ते डिनोटिफाय करपाक बंदी करपी.
Commerce Ministry had notified 3 SEZs in Goa. Around 32 lakh square meters of land was allotted to 7 SEZs in the state. Naik has said Commerce Ministry has realized that the stay of 4 months is a long period. He also said once the opinion from Solicitor General comes, Commerce Ministry will denotify SEZs.
की डिनोटिफिकेशन जातलें कारण वर्च्युअली ते डिनोटिफाय जाल्लें आसा कारण तांची जमीन गेली पयली हातांतली. जमीन ना जाल्यार युनिट्सांनी कशें करपाचें म्हण प्रत्यक्षांत डिनोटिफिकेशन जालां सोपस्कार जावपाचे आसात.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. We'll be right back.